Is a virtual event as good as a live event? We all know there's things about live events we can't create online. The human connection, the energy, seeing and touching things around you. But there's things about virtual events that you can't do with live events. For example, at a conference, only so many people can interact by asking questions. Some people don't want to put their hand up in the back of a lecture theatre. At a virtual event, anyone can ask a question at any point throughout the presentation, so more people have a voice. Also, virtual events allow more physical accessibility. At live events, you've got to be able to get out of your house or travel or afford to attend the event physically. With a virtual event, people who might not be able to leave their homes for whatever reason can still attend and experience the event in just the same way as all their peers who are also sitting at home who could have made it to a real world event.